Christmas spell, just pick my makeup. Let's do it. Eyebrows first, let's see what it picks. So I'm using some clear brow wax to slick my eyebrow hairs up. And on this side, I'm slicking the hairs down. This feels so wrong. Covering the eyebrow with foundation. Set that with some translucent powder. I've drawn out my brow shapes with some face paint. Now I'm just filling them in. I can't tell if I look angry or surprised. Eyeshadow next. Please be a good one. So I'm going to put a white pencil liner all over my eyelid and fill it in. Packing some white eyeshadow on the centre of my lid and the inner corner. And then green on the outer corner, lower lash line, and right here in between the two whites. Eyeliner next. What is that? Candy canes. I'm just doing a black winged eyeliner and I did some on my inner corner as well. So I'm using white face paint just to draw out the shape of my candy cane. Adding in those little red candy cane lines. Freckles next. Come on, be a good one. Oh, stinky socks. Okay, I've just drawn out and filled in the shape of the socks first. Just used grey, brown and a tiny bit of red face paint to do the sock details. Now I'm just adding the eyeshadow across my nose. I've added white and red freckles. Lips, come on. At least it matches the eyeliner. Covering my lips with white paint. Adding the red lines. They're not the neatest, but it will do. Who's ready for the end result? Okay, here's the end result. Honest thoughts, guys. Is this a cute or a fail?